Listen up, it's the secret sauce. And secret sauce is, hey, what's something maybe that's working well for your business that you think other laundromat owners could or should employ in their business to help us get to the next level?
The three things I hit on: clean, safe, friendly. We are still, we've been open a little over 4 years and we still have people come in. It's like, oh, this hasn't been open very long, has it? And I said, no, a little over 4 years. I'm like, oh, this looks brand new. They don't know the floors actually used to be white.
Right. Yeah. Yeah. You like our gray floors.
Yeah. But, we got some dings in the walls. I'm trying to figure out what to do about that. But, they still are shocked that it's been open 4 years. We keep it clean. Mm-hmm. We keep everything looking new. We keep the machines, as clean as possible. Safe. Also on clean, pick up, I try to keep trash picked up in the parking lot and in the landscaping and all around. And the safe, the windows all around. I've got LED lights inside, LED lights, pack lights all around the building. So, and I told the electrician when we built, I wanted it lit up like 4th of July, Got lights in the parking lot. There's no place for somebody to hide in the shadows there around the building. So, clean, safe. We'll get a homeless person every once in a while. We are not located in an area where there's a lot of services for them. Like we're not near Salvation Army or the homeless shelter or stuff like that. But, we'll still have them come through. I have no problem. Steve and I and our family on both sides of our family, his family and mine, we both had relatives who have been homeless at points in their lives. And so we do have a heart for that. Mm-hmm. So you come in, I don't have a problem coming in, drying off, warming up, cooling off, whatever, give you a bottle of water, sit there and relax and, kind of plan what your next plan is. But after about an hour, you'll need to have a plan to move on. Mm-hmm. But being fully attended, we can manage that. So it's safe for the patrons, but then it's just safe for everybody. Mm-hmm. I have no problem. My employees are empowered to call 911 if they feel like it's necessary. I trust their judgment. I said, I'll back you up on it. I don't care what it is, but I want them to feel safe. I want the customers to feel safe, everybody. And then friendly. When I hire them on, and I try to reiterate this with people, with my employees, that you don't know what your customers are going through. You don't even know what your coworkers are going through. You don't know what I'm going through. Mm-hmm. Smile. You might be the only smile they see all day. The grocery store clerk, the gas station attendant, somebody else, they hate their job, they hate their life, and they're just surly. We're going to be a place where you smile. Just be friendly with people. And you might hear their life story. You also might find out I have had people tell me, how's your day going? Oh, it's awful. I just found out I have cancer. I actually had a customer tell me that one day. I was like, okay, I wasn't prepared for that, but I sat down there and just let them talk to me for a little bit, get them tissue if they're going to cry and stuff. But, just try to touch them as a human. It's not all about the profits, the money. It is a service. We're serving the community. We've got a little corner for kids' books, a little table and chairs. So we do have a little kids' corner. We don't have any toys and stuff, but I don't want them to choke on things or throw them on the floor. But we've got the kids' corner. It's about people. Try to connect with the people and try to get your employees to connect with the people. Tell them that's part of the checklist. Go out on the floor every 30 minutes, sweep, talk to customers, smile at them. Ask them if everything's coming out okay. So
I love that.
Like it or not, that's part of the job.
Yeah. I love that. Because it sounds so basic, but it's part of the job, but it's the key.
It is.
Right? So the crucial part's the heart of the job.
We have this real nice attendance area that's completely open. We are not set up. We're not built to even be unattended. Mm-hmm. It's completely, you got the half walls and then the area that you can walk in back into the attendance area. And it's really easy to just stand back there in your safe zone, this little safe area where only the attendant can go. And with this big building, it's kind of scary to go, oh, all the way out there to the deep end, to the far side of the building and talk to somebody. So
yeah,
you have to hire people that aren't afraid of people.
Yeah. Which is easier said than done sometimes.
It is.